What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ramon Escalera here. Just have a couple things I wanted to share with you guys today. Tron was way up, close to 863 was a high. That was a 24-hour high. And obviously, when you see something like this, you knew there's going to be a bounce back. When it gets too far away from the EMAs, especially the purple. When it gets far away from the purple, you know there's going to be a bounce back. That's called the rubber band effect. So you know you have to sell. You got to sell your Tron here, wait for it to drop, and then buy back in. That's what I've done already twice. I bought down here. Let's see. I'll tell you where I bought actually. If I go to order history, and 1 month, you're gonna see my Tron TRX. This Ripple. There it is, right here. Tron, I bought at 556. So I bought Tron at 556. That is way down here. I bought over here somewhere, 556, which is right around, give or take, this area. And it went all the way up here. I should have sold here. I forgot I even placed a bet. I didn't even know I had it in my balance. Excuse me, the buy. I forgot I had it. I would have made I would have almost doubled my Tron. But I ended up selling. I sold. Actually, I didn't sell. Because, let's see here. Tron buy. And I haven't sold. But I bought again. I'll show you what I did that. So I go to my orders. And as you can see, TRX. So I'm selling at 739. But I bought it again at. That's XRP. Order history. Buy right here. 679. So I bought here, didn't sell, bought again at 679, which is right around here. And as you can see, it's starting to come up again. I'm selling everything. So instead of selling here, I forgot I had that buy. It went down, and I bought again at 679, which is right here, and now it's going up again. So I'm already in profit twice. I will be in profit once and a second time. I'm not selling everything until it gets right around 739. This is where I'm selling. Why? Because this was a previous high before. And it didn't reach this far low. So if it would have reached this far low, I would have bought here and then sold here at the previous high. But since it didn't reach this low, I'm going for my target, which is right here, which was the previous high. And then I want to see what happens from there. So just giving you guys an update on Tron. When you see this, again, a lot of volume here, and when you see this drop below, you know it's being oversold. Remember my last video, when the purple crosses over the yellow, it's buy time. Okay, this is buy time. This is called a crossover. This is a crossover. This is a crossover. When you see this, and this was going to happen, you could have put your sale here, but it's low volume. So what's the point? And then you see the second crossover, say, hey, it's about to cross over again. This is where I buy. So you would have bought here. You would have watched it go all the way up here, which is here, the purple, very top, and you sell. Sell somewhere above here. You'd be in profit. And then that means you wouldn't have had no Tron left. If I would have been watching the actual coin, but I didn't. I got occupied. My birthday was yesterday, so I wasn't even in front of the computer at the time. As you can see, it is January 9th. That was my birthday. I didn't even pay attention to it. Anyways, it dropped. It went up again a little bit here, and then it dropped. Now we're being oversold. So all these people sold their coin. It's being oversold, and guess what's happening? The crossover's happening again. Buy. So I did. I bought, and now it's up. So I'm in profit now. Not that I'm in profit by like 57, 59, 56, 58 Tron, give or take. I'm watching a dump. People are dumping and selling. People are buying. A lot of people are buying now. I'll show you what I put my sell, 739. So this is my sell point, because once it reaches this is 1.1 million. There's some other 2 point something million, but I'm gonna give it a go. I think it's gonna hit this previous high first. If it breaks this previous high, it's gonna shoot up to this previous high. So if it breaks this point here, 739, I'm gonna buy again and then watch it ride and sell here at around 812. And then if it breaks this, I'm selling everything. I'll buy again and wait for the next high. It could reach new highs, is what I'm trying to say. This is how you buy and sell. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell. And you can continually make profit doing that. Okay, so just a heads up. Just a little something today, nothing spectacular. This is all I wanted to share. Obviously, this is obviously for free, nothing in return. If you don't have a Binance exchange and you want to learn how to trade and watch the videos I previously posted, I show you how to buy and sell to make some profits. Now, you won't make $1 million unless you have a ton of money in the exchange, but you can make money every day, even when the market is down. And this is what I tell everybody. Don't get unfocused. Just because a coin is down and you haven't sold it for like a week, I've been sitting on coins for a while. I'm going to show you my oldest coins. And again, you don't lose until you sell. Remember that. And some people say, hey, well, what if the coin never goes up? You got to understand, these coins are very volatile. I don't trade shitty coins. I trade volatile coins, coins that have a massive Bitcoin influence in these coins like XRP, Neo, Verge. SYS is not a very high coin, but I have a bot automatically trading a lot of these smaller coins, and they make small increment profits. Okay, so my volume is my Bitcoin is growing surely but steadily. It's not on a very fast pace. It's more of a conservative growth. It'll continue to grow as the market grows. It'll sell. So I got all these cells in place, okay? All these cells in place. So as the market grows, they'll sell, buy, and they'll continue to sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. It reads the RSI index, okay? And a lot of these ones are automatic. Many of the ones that I do, like this here, is manual. I'm manually trading myself using the system. I'm also on Kraken. I just joined Kraken. Why? Because I'm learning how to short coins. So I'm learning how to short coins on Kraken. Now I put it, as you can see, I'm already down negative 13%. It was down negative 39% when I went to sleep when there was the big boom. Let me show you the big boom. Here we go. Okay, it's coming. There we go. This big boom here. As you can see, these are my buys, and I shorted it. I shorted it here, and I also bought because I shorted it here and went up. I'm like, oh gosh. I lost a little bit of money, not a lot. I want to say maybe $1. I mean, I didn't put a lot of money in here. It's only like 200, maybe 250. And then what I did is I sold it, bought it, and watched it ride. And then it went down, and it really went down here. And then I was like, oh gosh, something's wrong. And then it went, whoa, you down here. I'm like, man, this is not good. But patience is key. So remember that. So I'm waiting for it to go back up. I'm still only negative 13%, which is not high. Usually when you lose 10%, you want to sell it and then buy again to make your money back. It looks like it's on its way up again. I mean, it's bouncing off the EMAs here. This obviously this is a 10-day and 10-day, 21-day, and 100-day. 10-day, 21, and 100, as you can see here. These EMAs. This is obviously the 100. The 21 is the purple. And the 10-day is the orange, as you can see there. And so I'm watching this work. If it crosses over the blue, it's going to shoot past that. I believe so on Kraken. But I'm learning Kraken. I don't know too much about this. I'm learning how to short coins instead of just buying when it's low. So I'm going to start shorting. See, I should have shorted here, obviously, and I didn't do it. I was sleeping at the time. I went to bed and I didn't sell when it was high. I should have sold when I was up. I was up maybe 2 to 3%. I would have sold then. I would have made a little bit of profit, but I held on to it thinking it was going to be a moonshot. But obviously there wasn't. People sold off. But again, same thing with Binance, as you can see here. I'm waiting for this crossover. Once it crosses over this purple line, that's a nice indication here. But we'll see what happens. It looks like the crossover is happening. Good time to buy. But other than that, that's it. I'll leave my link in the description for Binance if you want to join Binance. And then send Bitcoin to Binance so you can learn how to start trading using Binance. Remember, it's not about how much, it is about how much you win, but it's not about being victorious overnight. It could take a day, a week, even a month just to get your coins sold. I'm still sitting on coins from December 24th, ladies and gentlemen. And again, I won't sell those until they go up. Why? These coins will go up and down. XRP, Ripple, you know that's a volatile coin. That coin will go up and down periodically. I got mine selling at 10,500 Satoshi. It got to 10,000 numerous of times. It'll get there again. When the market does good, Bitcoin shoots up, Ripple's going to shoot up along with all the other ones. It's a number 2 coin, ladies and gentlemen. Number 2 or number 3. depending on Ethereum, because Ethereum sometimes takes over that spot. But either way, it's in the top 3. So I'm happy about that. I don't mind trading those coins every day. So if you're looking at XRP, this is XRP here. It's down 0.58%. I'm going to show, see right here, good time to buy was here. Good time to buy was here, because if it went far down as 88.91, this would have been a great time to buy and wait for the crossover. The crossover is happening now. As you can see, the volume is a little small, but it's still growing. It's still going. It looks like it's on its way up again. It could possibly break and shoot over this marker here. When you see it go above here and the volume's on the plus, it'll do this type of thing. And when it starts doing this, this is where you sell. Okay, so just buy here, wait for it to get up to this point or anywhere up here, then sell it and wait for it to go down and do the same thing over and over and over again. And you can make money every single day or every single 3 days or weekly because of the chop. So this is on 30-minute increments. So that way you know this is what I do. I love helping and sharing. Other than that, I'm going to post this video now so you guys can get it before the market does good. It looks like it's going to be going on the way up. It was a big, massive drop overnight, and it'll be a possible climb back up to new highs, and that's the goal. If it don't get to new high, look at the previous high. You know, this is where you want to put your sell points. You know, because these are strong bear signals here, strong bear points. But if it breaks that, if it breaks this, it breaks here, then you know it's going to shoot up here. If it breaks this, it's going to shoot up here. If it breaks that, it'll shoot up here. If it breaks that, it'll shoot up here. And if it breaks that, that's new highs coming in. So other than that, that's it. That's all I have to share. Thank you guys for watching this video. The link for Binance will be in the description. I'm also going to be adding a messenger. If you guys want to reach me personally, every time I upload a video, if you click on that messenger box, you'll automatically subscribe to my messenger channel. And you can talk to me one-on-one, number one. Number two, when I upload something or send a message out, it'll blast it to everyone on that list, okay? And I won't spam you, that I promise. But other than that, thank you for watching this video. Take care, guys. Peace out.